Okay, here's where I'm at. I'm working on the back side over there. You can see I can't hardly get, I got just too many pecan trees and just too much really to get to start from this side. I had just about have to start from the back side. Saw it is, and I mean, if it was easier another way, I would do it. But I just about have to start from the back side over there. Pull as much that way as I can. Then I can come in here and pull the trailer in here, and then load up what's salvageable. A lot of this, some of this will be, a lot of it won't. I ran into some yellow jackets last night, so I kind of got to deal with them first. But the floor there, yeah, I mean, it's just not going to be any good, I don't think. The only thing that's going to be good is like some of these timbers here. I'll save which ones I can and which ones I can't. Well, I just, I won't be able to. A lot of this, these barns here were actually houses that they had torn down back when it was logs, and then just moved here and built as barns. A lot of this really wasn't built. Very few, especially around here, they're just really hardly not going to go through and take the time to do this for a log barn. Not around here. Most of our log barns are true logs. I mean, it's nothing more than just logs they laid up there and notched. They didn't take time to split them and cut them in half and all that sort of stuff. But I'll get around there and deal with those yellow jackets and see if I can't get some of this tin off. Once I get that tin off, I can start kind of cleaning me a path into here. And as odd as it seems, I mean, you would sure think that you'd want to come from this side because that's a mess going through there. But you just about have to go through that side. And once I get the tin off, then I can clean this area up, park the trailer right here. Then I can load all this other stuff up. What I can load up anyway. Shouldn't take me, but at the point I'm at now, it shouldn't. I mean, in a day's time, I should be done. This barn's probably, let's see, 12, 20. It's probably about, it doesn't really look it, but it's probably about 40 foot this way and probably 20 foot that way. But so much of it is just tore up. A lot of especially the square nails, what had nails, a lot of it was square nails. They just break right off. I mean, it's the only thing that it is holding is where they came back and added. See, that's a square nail there, but that right there is a regular nail, and the square nails are just breaking off. The square nails were probably from when this thing was a house. I can't pull that one out, but that's a square nail there. And because the house part of this barn's life is a long time earlier than the barn period in its life. You can see most of those square nails there broke off. They just didn't realize that was loose. And most of the normal nails, the new nails, are from when they put the tin on. They used regular nails, new type nails when they put this tin on. They probably replaced the tin no telling how many times. That's the reason why they're new.